Hello. So as you can tell, I'm kind of like getting ready for bed right now. So I thought I would show you guys our lifting Bio-Cellulose mask, which is part of our repair set, our TimeWise repair. So I'm really excited about it. I've heard really great things. I have yet to actually try it, so this is my first time and you guys are gonna see it. And I'm excited to see the results. So they say like it's like a facelift overnight. So I already took some before pictures so that I can compare to tomorrow morning. And then of course like I'll do a little, here I am in the morning. So it sits on your face for 30 minutes. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So remove mask from packet and unfold. Mask is between two protective mesh layers. Remove one layer of mesh and apply mask to clean, dry face. And I just got out of the shower, so I just washed my face with the new TimeWise 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. And oh my gosh, it was amazing. Okay, so do that and then start at the forehead. And yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm literally doing this in this camera because yeah, I didn't get my other one out yet. So, da-da, 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 da-da. Okay, so peel this mesh layer off into the trash, and here we go. Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, so these little things right here you can actually put over your eyes if you wanted to. I'm reading the directions. Okay, now I'm going to carefully remove the top layer of mesh. Perhaps. Okay, now I'm gonna re-smooth everything out. Okay, see you guys in 30 minutes. And I'm back 30 minutes later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this off. Trash. And just rub. Whew, that just scared the crap out of me. Rub in all the excess.
Where's the puppy?
Under the bed.
Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Puppy, you wanna go potty? You wanna go outside? You want peanut butter? You want a treat? Come on, let's go, girls. Come on, girls. Oh, how did she get under there?
She crawls.
Hmm?
So once you have that all rubbed in, you are good to go. So that is the Bio-Cellulose lifting mask. Anyway, so If you have that all rubbed in, I'm probably gonna let this dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna finish the rest of my night routine with my night moisturizer, my eye cream, and then of course I'm doing acne system because yeah, I'm breaking out really bad. He's being so rude. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed watching the mask. Like I said, I'll take a picture in the morning to show like what I look like. So just a slow motion. There you go. So you can actually like really see my lines. Anyways, let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. And I will talk to you all later. Hope you guys have a great week. Bye. Good morning. So as I said, I was gonna let you guys see what my face looked like this morning after using just one treatment of the Bio-Cellulose mask. So I do notice that my skin feels way softer this morning than it usually does, and my lines are not as prominent. And that's just one treatment. So, you know, if I used it more often, you know, as recommended, then these lines would totally fade even more, which is really awesome. But just after one, like, treatment, I just can't believe the difference. It's awesome. So, there you have it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.